Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add columns in Squarespace. Using columns helps us organize content side by side and create a clean professional page layout. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to squarespace.com. On the main page, log into your account. After logging in, go to the mini profile and select Account Dashboard. Next, click Go to Website so you can edit your website. In the dashboard, click your website and go to Pages. In the Pages section, click Edit and add a section. For example, add a blank section. Once you have a blank section, select Edit Section. Here, we can create a column layout. Choose how many columns or rows you want. Up to 6 columns are available. Add as many as you need. Let's try adding a column. Now, let's add text. For example, type first column. Then, add another text block. Place it anywhere in the column, for example, second column. Configure how many columns you want by adding them here. Click in the Sections area, and you can add grid, columns, or rows, depending on the alignment you prefer. Adjust the gaps based on your preferences for columns and rows. That's how we add columns in Squarespace. With columns, our content will look more balanced and visually appealing.